Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Mazda CX-7 ISV. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.